Okay, this is just a little ditty, I suppose, about Jack and Diane. No, it's just a little thing if you're not too sure how to do like a day-night diagram, showing like the sun. Now, I know they're pretty basic, but nonetheless. So when you're doing it with kids, personally, I find that if you model how to draw a diagram, there's far greater success. If you just draw a diagram straight up on the board and they've just got to try and follow along, it's not going to be as successful. But if you basically show patterning and patterning as to how to draw the diagram, it'll have more success because they'll learn to follow that patterning. So for me, for my day night, I always go, okay, we're going to start with the earth. My earth is pretty wonky there, but that's all right. We have the earth and we have the sun. So I'm going to label the sun. Now, the sun is giving off sunlight. Okay, I'm not going to label my earth just yet because it's probably around out of space. As we know, only half of the earth is facing the sun at any one time. Now, for this diagram to be correct, realistically, you need to be drawing the terminator line parallel to the direction, or parallel to the sun, perpendicular to the direction of the sunlight at 90 degrees. So your terminator should go straight down the middle. And then we can colour or shade in the back half. Shade, 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 shade. So we have day, we have night, and we have the terminator line. Now, the terminator line is not an imaginary line. It's something that if you are flying high enough, or if you are an astronaut in the International Space Station or something, you can actually see the terminator line. You can see this line on the ground created by the Earth's shadow. The next thing you need added, because it is day and night, and we are talking about the Earth rotating on its axis, you need to draw your axis in. Now, if you really want, you can be particular and you can draw in 23.5 degrees, or I just go slightly off. We've got our axis. Okay. They are the basics. I mean, you can also include the equator. Remember, because our Earth's on the axis, our equator is not straight across like that. That would be very much incorrect. But our equator needs to be relative to the axis of the Earth. And if you really want, you can go that little bit further. Oops, let me put that there a little bit further and go Northern Hemisphere. And Southern Hemisphere. Now, personally, I think it's always a good idea for students to be writing 23.5 degrees for the axis, but so long as they get axis down, that's the main point. And then finally, because now I've got that tiny little bit of space left, I can label Earth. And that is it.